DJ Delz.
Alright, welcome to a brand new episode here at the Delz Show. I apologize, I haven't put out any new content in a few days, but that's okay. It gives people a chance to catch up on all the videos. Now, I did get 2 packages from Target, and this is going to be an interesting video because they're all the same thing. I ordered the same pop. So we're going to see how the actual shipping is on each package. We'll start with this one right here. Now, they're kind of hit or miss when you get packages from them. It's kind of like Walmart. As you can see, we got Asuka right there. And this is the Comic-Con exclusive. Now, the way they wrap it, I don't really like how they wrap it because you could mess it up like this. Being that it's just wrapped in a circle. It's a box. The damn thing is a box. So wrapping it in a circle, I don't know if that's going to really protect it when you got something that is a box and you're making it round. Could mess up the edges, and that's happened from time to time with me. So it's a gamble. Sometimes they come in mint and sometimes they come dented up. You see, like that, that's because they ship it the way they do. And it's caved in over here. That sucks. So that's one that's non-mint condition. Now, this one has 2 of them in there. I don't know why they do that. I think they think that it's like helping, but it's really not. You can't wrap bubble wrap around the package. It's not going to help it at all. And for people who are wondering why I got 3, it's not to resell. It's because not only am I a fan of Asuka, but my kids are. Both of them. So this is for all of us. And if you're looking for this pop, you still could get it online. I'll put that in the description box below if you're looking to pick it up, along with other Funko Pops that are available now to help you guys out for your convenience. Alright. So this one's in better condition right here. I'm happy. Definitely. And my kids care about the box too. Like, they're collectors, you know. They're not just taking it out, playing with it. They actually care about the box. So, you know, it is what it is, though. What are we going to do? But getting to the pop, Asuka looks fantastic. I mean, they did a great job on the pop. Definitely. Now, let's check out this other one right here. So we're 1 for 2 as far as it being proper. See how this one is. All right, this one is in good condition also. So 2 out of the 3 are in good condition as far as the box. And let's take her out of the box real quick. So there's a look at her out of the box. Looks awesome. Turn it to the side. I love the hair, the green and the pink. Looks really great. Pants, the boots. Really looks like Asuka. The makeup there, that line. And there's a few other ones. I'm really looking for the Walmart one with the mask. The Walmart exclusive. So if anyone knows about that, where I can find it or can help me with it, I definitely will appreciate that. I will put information in the description box below to my Instagram. And I also have my P.O. box. If anyone ever wants to send me anything to unbox, definitely feel free to do so. But yeah, we got Asuka here. Looks amazing. Actually, I'm noticing right now there is some flaws with this right here on this box, which kind of sucks on the top. So we're 1 out of 3 with Target. Target got to step it up, and I think it's just not a smart way that they're doing it. They mean well, but they're just not really thinking. Like, think about it. You're wrapping something you want to stay as a box round and round with bubble tape. That's not gonna do what you want it to do. It's gonna mess it up. Let's check out some of my other WWE Funko Pops while we're at it. Here's a few new pickups that I did get. I did get the Alexa Bliss autographed Funko Pop. I did get Nearly Headless Nick. I did, of course, get Asuka, but I did get Billy and Karen from Stranger Things. I got all of the Conan O'Brien exclusives as far as, you know, the GameStop, not the ones that are like super hard to get, which I wish I was able to get, like the Ant-Man one especially, the Predator one, which is sick. Oh, I'm looking for the Predator chase, if anyone can help me with that, the new one. I was so happy to get this one right here, but I noticed a lot of the swords, her other sword, a lot of them are bent. So make sure to check that out before you buy when you go to like Hot Topic. A lot of them are bent. You may not even realize it. Check it out. How to get him, got the Young Bucks, and I got the Wizard Deadpool. Pretty sure those are all my newest Funko Pops that I got. Asuka looks freaking awesome right there. Love it. This is some of my WWE Funko. Just some of them. Love that Roddy Piper right there. Got the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels. We got Jericho with the list. Got Mick Foley right there. They gotta put out a Mankind and Cactus Jack and Dude Love Funko Pop. Please hit that thumbs up button if you agree with me right there. And for you wrestling fans, check out what I got here. This is from Hacksaw Jim Duggan, a 2x4. Oh, signed by Hacksaw Jim Duggan. We need a Hacksaw Jim Duggan Funko Pop. That would be pretty sick, right? Make sure you're subscribed. You hit the little bell because you don't want to miss out. That's the notification bell. Tomorrow, I will be unboxing a very controversial Funko Pop. One of the most controversial Funko Pops ever to kind of release. We're going to get into that tomorrow. Some of you guys may have a clue what I'm talking about. I'll give you a hint. The Talking Dead. Leave your comments if you know what I'm speaking about. But that will upload tomorrow when I get it in the mail. And if you're looking for any Funko Pops, let me know in the comment box. Maybe I could help you out. Maybe someone could help you out. As far as what I'm looking for the metallic Thanos. And I'm looking for the Triple H Chase. I've been trying to hunt this down. Absolutely no luck. Plus the Monster Jack Jack. If you have those, want to do trades, hit me up. Also, I posted a bunch of stuff on my Instagram over at Delz Toy Show. Funko Pops I'm trying to get rid of because I just have too many and I need to slim it down a little bit so I can get a couple more that I want. So definitely check out the little feed where you can watch all the different stuff. Check that out on my IG on the main page over at Delz Toy Show. And I'm gonna surprise the girls with these pops right now real quick. So let's do that. Daniel one! Hey! I got a surprise. What do you think it is?
I think pop.
You want it to be a pop?
Yes. Yes.
Collection's pretty awesome, by the way. Maybe we'll show them a little bit. Yes, it's pops.
Yay.
Who is it?
Asuka.
Who's your favorite women's wrestler?
Sasha Banks.
What about you?
Bailey.
How do you feel about Asuka?
Great.
Great. You're a big fan of Asuka. I know you are.
Duh. And they still got a box. How dare they?
Target. They gotta learn how to ship, right? Tell them, Target, ship pops proper.
Ship pops proper.
Ain't supposed to be like this, right?
Mm-hmm. Not like this. Yeah, no,
No.
not like this.
No good, right?
Oh, we might show you at the end our wrestling
Your ring? We'll show them real quick. Look, there's your wrestling ring right by your kitchen stove. What do you think of the pop? Do you think they did a good job, Funko?
Yeah.
It looks like her? I think so. I think they did a great job. I wish they put like her mask in her hand. That would have been kind of cool.
Yeah.
Should we show them your collection before we go?
Yeah.
All right. So here is Mootsy's collection. She got Chewbacca. She got a lot of Star Wars. She got the Red Stormtrooper, Big Bird, bunch of Minecraft, Thor. I love this one. I want this one. This is one that she has that I want. She got an awesome Superman also. And there is some more up top. She got Jeffrey the Giraffe. Oh, we missed you, Toys R Us, right? We miss Toys R Us. And here's my older daughters. A lot of Rebels. She loves Star Wars Rebels. She loves Star Wars, Minecraft, Peter Pan. That's, I think, my favorite that she has. And she has Sasha Banks and Jeffrey. Jeffrey! Wait a minute, where is... Didn't she, oh yeah, there's Bailey right there. That's my younger daughter's favorite wrestler.
Right there.
New Day. New Day rocks. New Day rocks.
New Day rocks.
Awesome collections. Princess Diana. Love it. Say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. We out here.